First of all, in the PDF file, okay, first page will be your index page, oh sorry, front page. ठीक है, किस तरह का होगा front page, that I can show you. You have to make that front page like this one. Okay, is it visible? This is the front page. ठीक है, sample will be given in the holidays homework also. आपको वहां से देखकर आप बना सकते हो. बनाना कैसे है वो मैं अभी आज आपको बता दूंगी. Then there will be a second page. You will have the index. This is index. This has been created by using the table option. Insert tab, table option. Table option in MS Word. Okay. Now how to create this first page? You can write it. Either you can write it here, practical file of computer, and make it in center. Or you can have the text box that can be placed in the center. You can have it in the center. You can increase its font size. You can make it bold. You can choose any font. Okay. Here you can also reduce or increase the line spacing if required. Then you will insert picture. Then there will be a picture. You can have the picture from internet, or you can have the picture from any from Flipkart also if it is there. Otherwise, you can download it from internet. You can have the picture. Place it in the center. Line will show. Otherwise, you can click on Format tab, Align option, Align center. Format tab, Align option, Align center. Now again you want to type the text, session. Press enter key, cursor will come down. Move the picture back. Now cursor is here. Now you can type session 2021 to 2022. Then you are having two options, one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. You can have the text box, or you can simply adjust the text. Submitted to. You can have the name here. Then in the same line, you will type by pressing the tab key, submitted file, like this. Similarly, you can have name here. You can have class. Okay. Let's take some other font. Okay. You can reduce the size here. As it is 24, then you can have it small. आप इसको छोटा ले सकते हो. Now you can type here. Okay. Then at the bottom you will have the name of the school. You can reduce the font size so that it will fit on a page. Okay. Is it okay? Is it clear? Just give me the sign that if you had understood the points, how to adjust it. You can see the preview whether it is okay or not. ठीक है. अदरवाइज बेटा सेकंड ऑप्शन जो एक और आपके पास हो सकती है इस टेक्स्ट को एडजस्ट करने के लिए, यू कैन हैव एज मेनी टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस एज आई हैड एंटर्ड. लाइक इन दिस I can show you here. Here I had inserted the text boxes. Text boxes are easy to adjust instead of the text. यहाँ पर मैंने अलग अलग text boxes लिए हुए हैं. All these are the various text boxes. So text boxes can be easily adjusted by moving up and down. So I can have it a right align here, it is left align here in the same line. It is in the center, it is in the center, and this is also in the center. If you have text boxes, they will be more easy to adjust. But if you are not able to handle with the text boxes, you can simply type the text as I had typed here. Okay, you can try both the ways. You can try both the ways. Whichever way that suits to you, that जिससे ज़्यादा अच्छा better result आएगा, you can use that method. Okay. Slides, कौन सी slide? Ma'am, how to insert text box? बेटा, how to by clicking on insert tab. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे दोबारा आपको करके दिखा रही हूँ. By clicking on insert tab, you can have the text box, simple text box. A text box will appear. Now you can type here. Okay, now you can select the text box, go to home tab, make it center, increase the font size, have the font. Okay, make it bold if required. Then you can adjust its size and you can make it by clicking on format tab. You can make it center align. Format tab, align, center. The text box will adjust in the center of the web page. Then you can insert the picture. I'm copying it here. You can drag it and place it. Then you can have this text in the center. Again, I can insert text box, simple. Drag it and place it. Make it center. Adjust format. Suppose I want the same. I'm selecting it, going to the format painter and apply it. Then you can also make it center align by selecting the text box, go to format tab, align, align center. It will automatically adjust the page in center. Objects in the center. Okay, this picture is not in the center. Format, align, center. Now if you want कि मेरे text box के बाहर जो outlining आ रही है वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए, तो you can select it, go to format tab, shape outline, no outline. Select the object, shape outline, no outline. Here I had given the borders. Format, here some borders are there. You can select any border. You can make it big or small according to the text that you want to type. Okay. Okay, clear hai yahan tak? You can insert more text boxes. You can have other text boxes and you can type it here. Submit it to, then here submit it by, and at the bottom you can have another text box. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? If you have any doubt, you can ask me beta, because आपको ये चीजें बनानी है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैं ना अभी 2-3 मिनट्स पहले ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ बिकॉज मैम मुझे इस
I
क्लास के बारे में थोड़ी कन्फ्यूजन थी।
बेटा but I
मैम
can't restart. You can watch the video because मुझे अभी और भी करवाना है. अगर एंड में टाइम
ओके
बचेगा
मैम।
तो मैं दोबारा करवा दूंगी. ठीक
ओके
है.
मैम।
I'm telling you about how to make the front page and the index. ठीक है, for the practical for the holidays homework practical file. Okay. Okay. You can have
ओके
another
मैम।
text box here. I want to have another text box here. I can have it. मैं अभी कॉपी कर रही हूँ, आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है जी. Many students are coming late. They will suffer. Is it okay, beta? Okay, now on the second page, I'm going to insert the table for your index. Okay, now we are going to insert table for the index. I have to move it again because cursor is here. Okay, now I can press enter, move to the second page. Now I can insert table. ठीक है, टेबल में फर्स्ट कॉलम आपका है इंडेक्स, सेकंड में आपके पास है सीरियल नंबर, डेट, name of activity, page number, and one more column is there for remarks or signatures. Okay, you can select the first row, make it merge and center, merge cells. You can reduce the font size so that it adjusts. Serial number, you can have small. Okay, then you can have page number, you can have name of activity. Like, okay, you can increase the size of table also even. Again, you can make it in the center by going to design tab, sorry, layout tab, properties, center. Okay, now on serial यहाँ पे you can have more rows to make the index by pressing the tab key or by inserting the rows. You can format it by using the design tab. You can choose the ready-made layouts. You can choose the ready-made layouts from here, or you can have your own fill colors and options, border color options. You can have the shadings and fill color options and border color options from here also. Okay, is it clear? Table index कैसे बनाना है, clear है? हाँ जी, index कैसे बनाना है, clear है everyone? Okay, after that you will create in assess. You go to assess, you will create a table. Whatever table is given to you, you will create a table in the design view, as well as if the data sheet view, you will take the print screen or the screenshot of both the views. How we can take? I can go to the design view. I can press the print screen from the keyboard. Keyboard में आपके पास एक key है print screen. You can press that key, then come to MS Word. You can have this design view as well as the data sheet view is there. Go to design view, press the print screen key from the keyboard, come to MS Word, same file which you were creating. Okay, go to the new page and Control V, shortcut key for paste, or you can click on this paste option. Then you can resize it if you want. You can give the call borders. You can have the border colors. You can change the border width. Okay, then you have to give the headings also. First of all, I want to give a heading here. I make a space, give, this is my activity 1, MS assess. Okay, then this is the design view of table. Whatever table आपको, जो भी table आपको मिलेगा उस table का name. Then you can give shading. Here paragraph group shading option is there. You can choose any shading. You can have the formatting of the font also. आप font की formatting रख सकते हो. इसको move करो. Now make a space for the second. I can copy, Control C. I can paste, Control V. Now I'm going to paste data sheet view. If the space is there on the same page, you can have on the same page. If space is not there, अगर आपकी picture बड़ी है, then you can go to the next page and data sheet view can appear on the next page. I'm having it on the next page. Okay, first page, your file, your text will be there. On the second page, you will have the index. On the third page, you can have the activity 1. Then here activity 1 ka data sheet view. Now again go to the assess, go to the data sheet view. First of all format the table so that हमारा print screen जो screenshot है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I'm changing the font. Then you can have the size, at least 14 or 16 size will be sufficient. Then you can have the fill color. I can increase the row height. I can have the column width also. Headings should be clear. You can change the alignment also. Suppose I want the mode of conveyance or roll number that should appear in the center. I can make it center. Click here, center. Date of birth, center. Now alternate rows has been colored and other row is white. If you want कि मुझे दूसरी row में भी color हो, you can click on this alternate row color and choose another color. It will give another color to that row, like this. You can have another color here. Maybe light dark combination, maybe alternate colors. Okay, then you can take the print screen of this. I'm going to stop my share so that I can take the print screen. Otherwise, आपकी Zoom की windows के ऊपर आ रही है. Okay, now I'm going to again share it. Come to the WordPad. Oh, sorry, MS Word. Now paste it. You can give the same formatting, same borders, same border color, border width, same border style from here. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. You can copy the formatting from the previous picture. अगर आपको नहीं याद है मैंने कितना दिया है, तो you can copy it. Click here, go to Home tab, Format Painter, apply it. So it will automatically apply the same border and same effects to the picture. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? Or if you have any question, you can unmute yourself to ask me, or if you unmute yourself to tell me that is it clear to all of you. Yes, Adish, Taranya, Ananya, is it clear? Ashpreet?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now you can see that I am having the multiple pages in the same window. If I increase the size, okay, only then there is a single page. Otherwise, when I reduce the size, we can view the multiple pages at the same time. Same पूरी file का view मिल रहा है मुझे. How I can view this? You can wrap text option. If your picture doesn't move, choose the wrap text option and move it. Then only then you will be able to move it. Center. Again, wrap text option, maybe square or top and bottom as the need. Then align it in the center. Okay. Now you can have the full view of your picture here, of your file here. I'm moving it here because at the bottom मेरे पास एक text box और चाहिए अभी जो आपको वो देगा school का name. Now I'm going to format the page. I can go to design view. I can have the page color option. You can choose any page color option. Minded page color should be light. But if you think कि आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे इसमें से कोई page color पसंद नहीं है, you can go to this color scheme option. Colors. There are many color schemes available. When you change the color scheme, it will automatically change the colors. Suppose I'm taking it marquee here. So you can see मेरे पीछे colors change हो गए हैं. I can go to the page color option. I can have the different colors here. If I have the different suppose blue, green or green, yellow scheme, then I can have the different colors options here. If I choose any, suppose paper, I can have different colors here. So you can have the, try the different colors. You can have different colors and choose the color that best suited you. Okay. Then you can have the page color, page border. Choose very wisely. Borders बहुत ज़्यादा flashy या broad या thick नहीं होने चाहिए. You can have these lines border or you can have the art borders. Okay. Bottom में आपके पास काफी अच्छे borders दिए हुए हैं. You can have this. You can change the color and the width. आप apply इसका color change कर सकते हो. Border का you can click OK. Border will be applied. Or you can have another border if you want. You can try borders, different borders. You can apply different border on the front page and you can apply different border on the other pages. Like this. Increase the zoom, you can see borders. Clear? Is it clear how to make the file now? Okay. Second activity, if there is any second activity and if you want to do it on the MS Word itself, then you can go to the next page and you can have it here, activity 2. Whatever will be the name of activity, you can type it here, activity 2. Suppose I'm typing it here, networking architecture or types of LAN, whatever activity will be given, you can type it. You can give the date, serial number, name of activity, and page number here. You will type the cells in this field, in this table. Then in activity 2, you may have some text. You may have to write some text. You may have to insert some picture. So you can have that text and picture by typing it here. Suppose I'm typing it here, local area network. Then I can explain the topic here. It is a small area network. Whatever topic you want to explain, you will explain it here. Then you will insert the picture related to that topic. Okay. Format the text as you want. Make it bold, underline or italic. जैसा आपकी requirement है according to the topic, you can do it. Okay, then explain it. Then insert picture. Maybe picture insert tab, picture option. If your computer is connected to internet, you can have the online pictures or you can click on this device and choose the relevant picture that you want to insert. Then again, same way, you can change the wrap text option, take it top and bottom, align it in the center, or you can move it and then give borders or whatever style you want to give. You can have the 3D effects also from here, glow, soft edges, like this. Increase the size of glow, transparency, change the color. All of these things you can do like this. Okay, clear? Is it clear to all of you? Then you can have the second topic, second heading, whatever second heading is there, explain it, explain the topic, then insert the picture related to that. Okay. I'm working on 19. Apul. Anji, any question? Any question? Unmute yourself. Is it clear to all of you how to make the file? If you are doing the second activity on practical file, you can make the PDF file by scanning the pages as you do in fair copy also. जैसे आप fair copy scan करके send करते हो, वैसे ही आप इसको भी scan करोगे. But first activity will be done at computer only because you will need MSSS to create the tables and to take the screenshot of a design view and data sheet view. Okay, but if you are doing the first activity on computer, preferably do the second also on computer in MS Word. But if there is any problem, you can do it in practical file. Okay. नहीं बेटा, thank you page नहीं बनाना अनन्या. No.